This is a brief explanation of some of the options you get with dual boot system. When you have installed dual boot, which I have explained in a different video, every single time you turn on your computer, you will be greeted with this screen. It will show the operating systems available to boot. On the bottom of the screen, you will have the link called Change Defaults or Choose Other Options. And if you click on it, it will open the Options menu. In the Options menu, you can change the timer, you can choose the default system, and there are a bunch of other options you can go into. Under Change the Timer, you can set how long the system should wait for user input before it automatically loads the default operating system. So when you have a dual boot system in a production environment, and if you don't want your users to enter any input, or you don't want users to get confused or something, you can set it to something like 5 seconds. So when it loads, it will wait for just 5 seconds. And if there are no user input, it will automatically load the default system. You can change to 5 seconds, 30 seconds, or 5 minutes. And it will remain in this screen for that duration until either user enter a selection or the timer runs out and it will automatically boot the default. And the next option you see in the menu is the Choose Default Operating System. It will list the operating systems currently available. In my case, we have a dual boot with Windows 10 and Windows 11. And you can select which one going to be the default system. For example, currently it is set to Windows 10. I'm going to set to Windows 11. What it did is basically when this timer we set up here runs out, it will automatically load the Windows 11 on this computer. So if you go back to the main page, now these two operating systems are switched. The Windows 11 is at the top and Windows 10 at the bottom. So that means this is the default right now. And again, on the options menu, the last choice is called the Choose Other Options. And it has the repair tools and other options that you typically get with Windows troubleshooting menus. And if you click on it, you would see the troubleshooting options such as resetting the PCs, loading another operating systems, and few other things like that. In addition, you can also shut down your computer gracefully using this section. Just click on turn off your PC and it will gracefully shut down your computer. Remember, at this point, none of the operating systems are loaded yet. This is just at the booting environment. So those are your choices that you get when you have dual boot system. And if you would like to know how to create this dual boot system with Windows 11 and Windows 10 or any other Windows operating system, there's a video that I have already posted on my YouTube channel. You can go ahead and check it out. And for now, that's it, and have a nice day.